Christmas time. I don't need the shining snow, don't need gifts wrapped